Hi guys, this is 2013 Rx350 Lexus. So I'm here to show you guys how to repair column. The stereo column is making like when it enters galloping, it's making a sound. So I want to show you guys now how to sort it out without replacing another one.
When my money come down, go yeah, oh my money, show you see, cause where I come from, not the street, yeah. Oh my money, show you see, cause where you come from, not the street. I'm making all the scene, cause normal, yo, I say normally. Everybody supposed to lower normally. I say normal, yo, I say normally. Everybody supposed to call it normally. I say normal, yo, I say normally. Everybody supposed to lower normally. I say normally.
You can see the bushing does scatter inside. So we have to replace the bushing. So now we just replace this one instead of it to go and buy another column. Because I'm wasting of money. Like this column now, it works like Tokumbo one is like 220 or 210, something like this. Instead of it to waste money, lot of money like that, just open here and remove the bushing and put another one. Okay, you cannot get another one. There's another way to repair the bushing and put it inside so that the noise will stop. So I have repaired this one. And that's to put your pieces back now. Very possible. So make sure the bushing sit well. You get face and you can see the bushing, have it. Make sure everything's set in the proper. Because if not set, you can condemn the bushing back there. It will not give what you want.
Everybody supposed to lower normally. I say normally, yo, I say normally. Everybody supposed to call it normally. I say normally, yo, I say normally. Everybody supposed to lower normally. I say normally, yo, I say normally. Everybody supposed to call it normally. I say normally. Told my day one G's not to sleep on me. Mobile so and I'm still on it. I call on God and I come on me. Surely I will take you what is for me. You fit and scale like a every single lie you get in plural. Free our mind, we up tonight. Everything cool, everything nice. Me I no feel wait till Jesus come. But I go vibe till that kingdom come. Now from my heart I just sing this song. My name is Vibes, you can sing along. Me I no feel wait till Jesus come. But I go vibe till that kingdom come. Now from my heart I just sing this song. My name is Vibes, you can sing along. Hey, young girlie,